Okay, welcome. This lock is a lock, a Godrej discus lock that I picked on my channel some time ago. It's a 6-pin dimple lock, and this time I will show you how to foil impression a lock like this. What I've done with the key is that I drill out all the dimples to the maximum depth. You can see them up here. All three are drilled out, and on the top side I have also drilled out the pins to maximum depth, and on that side the same. So all in all 9 drills. The side pins here are active pins, and the top pins here are actually passive pins. So if I put the key in this way, it will work, because yeah, I have only one lock and I used one of the 3 keys as my impressioning key. So if I turn it that way, it will obviously not work because I drilled all them out. And now I will show you how to put the foil on. This is aluminium foil tape, and for you Scandinavian viewers, this comes from Biltema. I think it's used for like exhaust pipes and stuff like that, because it can take a lot of heat. And now I will cut this a little bit, like maybe so. That's about the length, and then I will do something like, I think like that. Okay, now I will apply the foil on the key, like so. So now I'm taping over the drilled holes, the drilled side, and all the way around. I will not tape the unused side, because I want it to be, yeah, to get a better fit. The foil obviously build some hundreds of a millimeter, but anyway, now it looks like this. So now I will put this into the lock carefully. Like so. Now I will use my vice grips. Like so, and then I will start turning, and this will take, I don't know, a couple of 100 turns, like 200, 300, so I better get started. This is actually the boring part with this, but once this is done, I will have a key that can open the lock. A couple of times you can take it out carefully and put it back in. I managed to do it previously like six 6 times in a row, sometimes 7 or 8, but eventually it will break. So now, as you see, the lock will open. So now I have a functioning key I can hopefully reuse. Now you see here that the self-impressioning has taken part. Can actually compare one key here. You will see here, deep one, and quite deep up here, and yeah, you can see yourself. Shallow, shallow, deep, and middle one, deep and shallow. So what we got here is a working key. I will see if I can reuse it a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 6. Yeah, now it's turning. Yeah. So there you go. Not so complicated. This key can now be used for any type, any lock with similar core. If this is removed, you can just put on new foil and use it on all 6-pin Godrej locks with that has this core. The only thing you have to do is do like 200-300 turns, and then you will have a working key. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.